Those kind of memories can never die. My middle finger's like my second child, I raise it well.
Americans levels Nasty C as a chancer, and a greedy person. Welcome to Celebrities Worldwide YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe by clicking the subscription button below. Also hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload something new. Nasty C gets taunted by Americans as he made claims that he can spank Eminem when it comes to making club music, and he also said that Eminem music is not relatable anymore. Americans has voiced out their thoughts and opinions on this matter. Some were saying, Nasty C is nothing but a chancer. I mean, why target Slim Shady when he knows very well that Slim doesn't make club music at all? Why doesn't he defy people who makes club music instead, such as Future, 6ix9ine and Young Thug? An American YouTube channel which was covering this story, said Nasty C is being ungrateful towards Eminem since he once used Eminem's platform, Shade 45, to earn prominence in America. So how can he drabble the name of the same person whose platform is one of the major reasons why he gets the opportunities he's been getting in America? They also added that this isn't the first time Nasty C uses Eminem's name to boost his career. He did the exact same thing back in 2018 when he claimed that his album, Strings and Bling, is better than Eminem's album, Kamikaze, and J. Cole's album, KOD. Some said that this was a good move by Nasty C, as they had no idea who he is, it's only they heard of his name, and that automatically means that somehow the stunts has worked for Nasty. So what do y'all all think? Is Nasty really being ungrateful towards Eminem? Tell us what you think, we'd really appreciate to hear your thoughts and takes on this. We'll reply on each and every comment you write. Folks, that's all for now. Please don't forget to like this video. Till next time, peace.